Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage here. I'm going to share something with you here that you might want to be concerned about if you live in an area of the country where salt is used on the road to remove ice. Hold on. Hey everyone, so what you're looking at here is a brand new bumper support on the bottom, and on the top is the old one I'm replacing. And if you look real closely, you can see where the years of the slush and salt have packed up into the back of the bumper support. Why is this bumper support important? If you get rear-ended, this is designed to absorb energy. You see, this right here, the plastic covering is not. It's all about this beam right here. So I have it off the back of this 2007 Accord, and I'm replacing it because of a safety inspection issue. For those of you mechanics that live in an area of the country where they do not use salt on the roads, consider yourself lucky. But anyway, with all the distracted driving that's going on today, people looking at their phones and people getting rear-ended all the time, I think it's pretty important that the rear structural integrity of your car is intact and will absorb energy as it's designed to. Anyway, stay safe out there, drive safe, and until next time, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.